stomach's growling.
Worse? Why are you biting your nails, dog? Go ahead, bite your nail.
Whoa,
Is that the
dude.
dog's?
Yes, he's hungry.
That's the dog's stomach?
Yeah, it's been the dog's stomach.
What? Bite your nails. Are you trying to bite your nails because you're hungry? That's not what you eat. You gonna do anything? What are you doing?
He's
Did you just snort?
relaxing. No.
It's recorded, I think I can.
Did you hear that? You poor doggy.
Eat your nails. Come on, eat them. Eat them, eat them, eat them. They taste good, don't they? No? Are you done biting your nails? What are you doing? Bite your nails. Bite them.
He doesn't like my hand.
Bite them. Bite them. Bite your nail. Bite them, bite them. Bite them, bite them. Bite your nails.
We should get him a midnight snack.
Oh my god, it's supposed to be nice. I should go to sleep. Say bye-bye to the world. You can't talk with your mouth over it. What? With your hand over his mouth.
Bye bye, world.
Maybe he'll do it. You're gonna do it right when I turn off the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's off. You gonna do it? No? Whatever. Bye.